Let's solve an enthalpy wheel effectiveness problem step by step. A 6,000 CFM enthalpy wheel has the following design conditions. Outdoor air entering is 95 degrees dry bulb, 76 degrees wet bulb, and enthalpy equals 39.6. Exhaust air entering is 75 degrees dry bulb, 50% relative humidity, and enthalpy equals 28.2. Total effectiveness is 70%. We need the enthalpy of the outdoor air leaving the wheel. Let's draw a simple enthalpy wheel diagram to visualize the two air streams. On the left, outdoor air enters the wheel. On the right, exhaust air enters the wheel. The wheel transfers energy between them. Now, let's use the total effectiveness equation. Effectiveness equals the change in outdoor air enthalpy divided by the maximum possible enthalpy change. Substitute the given values. 70% equals 39.6 minus H outdoor air out, divided by 39.6 minus 28.2. Compute the denominator. 39.6 minus 28.2 equals 11.4. Then multiply both sides by 11.4. Now calculate. 0.7 times 11.4 equals 7.98. So 39.6 minus H outdoor air out equals 7.98. Then H outdoor air out equals 31.62. Therefore, the enthalpy of the outdoor air leaving the wheel is about 31.6. That matches answer choice C.